Hi guys, welcome to my Lola preparations day 1. Lol. Into enifunayo nifuna uva loo nto leyo ndisitsho. Then you'll be glued to my socials. Nizoqala usubscribe, nizoqala unfollowish just because of that. Day 2 of Lola preparations. The Lobola day. Monday update. Guys, I'm updating you. Yo, I'm Son Neighbors. Welcome back to my channel. And it's the day namhlanje. My panic mode sana, it's on high level. Guys, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. Bongincuka. Even on YouTube, it's Bongincuka. Please, but I'll drop the link below and subscribe because the content that you want, anayo, sad. What a perfect filter for London created. Guys, it's the day of Utsiki, my Utsiki day. Guys, let me reintroduce myself. I'm going to introduce myself. I'm Mrs. Banban. That's the content, guys. You are son. And now so the support. There's this other video that I saw on my WhatsApp status. Like I was on window. I'll attach the video. So guys, this is also one day, but for now, support. Both sides. So please, nyani kombela ne ningangihlafuna. Bye. Awubulelelo yanqanqoza